Hello everyone and welcome to Anupam Tech Talk. This is episode number 15 of my engineering leadership series where every day we explore one practical lesson in software engineering, software architecture, artificial intelligence, system design and technology leadership. Today we are discussing a skill that does not usually appear in programming books but becomes increasingly important as your career grows. That skill is learning how to say no. Many engineers believe saying yes to every request makes them a good team player. But experienced engineers understand that saying yes to everything often means compromising quality, timeline, or customer experience. The real skill is learning when to say no and how to say it professionally. Early in our careers, we want to help everyone. A product manager requests another feature, a client asks for one more change, a teammates suggest adding another enhancement. Our instinct is often to say yes, sure, we can do that. But every new request has a cost. It requires a development time. It requires a testing. It increases maintenance. And sometimes it delays the release. Great engineers understand that every yes is also a no to something else, whether it's a quality, simplicity, or delivery speed. Imagine your team is preparing to release a food delivery application. The app is fully tested and scheduled to launch tomorrow. During the final review, a stakeholder requests a new feature. Can we also let users schedule our deliveries weeks in advance? It sounds like a valuable idea, but implementing it would affect the user interface, backend APIs, notifications, order management, testing, and customer support. If the team says yes immediately, then risk introducing bugs into a release that is already stable. Instead, and experienced engineers might respond saying, that's a great enhancement. However, adding it now increases the risk of delaying the release. I recommend shipping the current version and planning this feature for the next iteration. Notice that is this is not simply saying no, it's offering a thoughtful alternative. One lesson I have learned throughout my career is that people rarely remember the word no. They remember how you explain it. Instead of saying no, that's not possible, try saying, here is the impact if we add this feature today. Here is the risk involved. Here is an alternate approach. This shifts the conversation from emotional to engineering. You're not rejecting an idea, you're helping the team make an informed decision. As engineers grow into leadership positions, saying no becomes part of protecting the team's focus. Directors and the technology leaders don't reject ideas because they dislike them. They evaluate trade offs. They ask, does this align with our priorities? Does it create value for our participants? It's now the right time for this. Great leaders don't say no to the people, they say yes to the most important priorities. The next time you are asked to do something that could impact quality or timeline, avoid saying no immediately. Instead, explain the impact of it, the risk associated with it, and the better alternate for that. Professional professional communication is about helping others understand the trade-offs, not winning an argument. Thank you for watching episode number 15 of my engineering leadership series. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever had to say no to the feature requests or a technical decisions? How did you handle the conversation? Share your experience with the in the comment below. Until next time, one lesson every day, better engineering, better leadership.